Hey there, welcome members, traders, and YouTubers. This is Sunday, December 14, 2014. My name is Brent Burcham with myfundingroom.com. So in this Forex trading strategies video, I'm going to talk just briefly about the euro dollar. This video is just going to be a quick, try and do about a 2 or 3 minute video. Don't want to cover a whole lot on this one, just what I noticed just looking at the markets for this evening. But what we're looking at right now is the euro dollar. It's Sunday evening. This is a daily chart, and a few things that we want to take a look at is number one, back on December 8th, which was last Monday, we had a low which was right at about the 120, 125.50, 125.60 level, which is a typical level for price to stall out and start to get a retracement or a pullback. The interesting part on what price has been doing since last Monday is we've had a very bullish run on the euro dollar. Starting with Monday, on the 8th, on the nadir bar, we had price on Tuesday breach the high of the nadir bar, which created our setup bar. And then as we went into Thursday, we broke the setup bar's high, which by definition we are now in an uptrend. So we would have support right there at the high of our setup bar. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see this a little clearer for you. So pardon my delay on this. I just want to make sure you can see it accurately. But again, we've got our, let me scrunch this just a little bit. All right, so we've got our nadir bar off here. Tuesday broke the high of the nadir bar. That created our setup bar. Going into Thursday, we broke the high of our setup bar. By definition, we're in an uptrend. We've got two higher highs. We've got two lower two higher lows. So we are on the daily chart by definition in an uptrend. And then we've got support based off of our high on the setup bar. Now I'm going to switch this down to a 1 hour chart. Now before I switch that down to a 1 hour chart, I do want to talk about price a little bit. Being that we are now in by definition in an uptrend, what we can look at then is we can look at price potentially getting up into the 125.50 level and the 12600 level. So we've got about a 50 pip area or zone that price can head up to. Currently right now price is at 124.60, so we would be looking right at about 100 to 140 pips for price to move up to, and it wouldn't be a big surprise if we don't see that by Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. So over the next 2 to 3 days, we could potentially be seeing price on that euro up at 125.50, 12600 level. Now, one interesting thing that I want to show you in the near term over the next 24 hours is what the 1 hour chart is also showing. What I want to cover with you is the alignment in between the daily chart and the 1 hour chart. So I'm going to switch over to the 1 hour chart so we can take a look at that. Now as we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we're seeing a very similar pattern as price topped out from last Friday. We do get our pullback, price now starting to move back down. This is for me here in Utah. This is Sunday evening. It's midnight right now. So on the East Coast, we're looking at 2 a.m. But we've got our nadir bar right here. right here's our setup bar. We breached the high. Let me put that line there so we can see that. So we breached the high of our nadir bar. We now have a setup bar. If our setup bar's high gets broken, then by definition we are in an uptrend because we've got 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows. So as we looked at the daily chart, we're in an uptrend. If we break this level of the 124.64 level, we are now on an uptrend on the 1-hour chart. So for the day, we would then be going into an uptrend because we would then at that point be above the open for the day, creating a bullish daily bar. So we've got some great alignment on both the daily. If we were to look at this on a 4-hour chart, we would have bullish on the 4-hour, we would have bullish on the 1 minute, and you can enter in on the 15-minute because we are bullish on the 15 as well. So on multiple time frames, we have alignment that we are in a bullish trend. Great buying opportunities. So at any price level that you guys take as far as a trade setup, I would definitely be looking for some good buying opportunities, whether you're doing a breakout strategy or whether you're buying off of the dips on this. So that's my video for today. I will be doing one either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on what price does, how the markets unfold. But look forward to seeing everybody on the next video. If you guys have any questions, any currencies that you want me to take a look at, make sure to put a comment down below. Any questions you guys have, go ahead and comment. Also, make sure to like and subscribe this so I can continue to make more videos. So until the next one, thank you and see you then.